Alright, bowling fool here, and we've got something a little bit different today. What's missing on this ball? That's right, no thumb hole. So this is my attempt at trying two-handed bowling, and I've been a traditional bowler my whole life and decided that I want to try something a little new and see how it'll work for me. I want to be a USBC bronze and silver coach one of these days, and I'm going to have to learn how to bowl two-handed so I can teach people. And there's a Brooklyn, but it struck. I know my form's not exactly perfect, but it looks like my revs have doubled from traditional. We're actually bowling on post-league lane conditions, so it's a little bit dry, and I'm probably bowling with a little bit too much revs than what the conditions call for right now. But I've been watching a bunch of videos online on how to do two-handed bowling. I'm pretty much standing on, let's see, 20, 25, 30, 35. And it's cooking. It is definitely revving up like a beast. So let me know in the comments if any of you guys have switched over from one traditional to two-handed, and if you stuck with it. I had the Theorem Pearl here that I didn't like, so I plugged it, and I was sitting there looking at it going, you know what? I could drill that for two-hand and try two-handed with this thing. Picking up my spares. Look at that, huh? It's very different, and it's very foreign to me to do this. Whoa, way too much. I was at the Reno tournament this weekend at the bowling stadium. I was talking to a guy there that's been doing two-hand. He's kind of telling me what I need to be doing with my wrist. A lot easier to listen to instructions than actually apply them. You can watch videos all day long of Belmo, and then you come out here and it's a whole different story. So that was a weird, just kind of falling off my fingers on that one. I think I went like that with my wrist. Do it nice and gradual. So I'm pretty much having to go from left to right on this one. But I definitely noticed a major increase in my rev rate, probably double. This ball is polished to the max. I think I did a 5,000 sanding pad, and then I put polish on it after that. So this ball is as shiny as I can get. My goal is to be a more versatile bowler and be good at everything, not just one thing. Damn. I mean, that sucker's going Brooklyn every time. And I think I'm going out to the 5 or 10 board. So it's going to be interesting to rewatch this video and see exactly how ugly my form is. There we go. Another thing is too, you want to make sure your finger grips are two different colors so you know which way to put your fingers in the ball here. We're picking up a couple spares here. So this is going to be interesting to see the progress that I do two-handed, because I'm gonna keep trying this out and keep watching videos and see how I can improve doing this. So I got more behind that one. It didn't really come back. All right. It's feeling a little bit more comfortable the more I do it. And that was 13 miles an hour. And I'm just gonna roll my spares two-handed as well too, just for practice. All right, see if I can try to get a clean game doing two-hand. We shall see here. So the pitches seem fine on the fingers too. I was a little worried they would feel weird. Standing on 35 at the very edge. Oh, get it. Okay, no split. And I got this ball polished, so oh heck. So I think I did a 5,000 pad on this. And then I put polish on it as well too, so. Get it. Ah. For me, being a traditional my whole life, it's a little bit weird. Now let's see if I can get this spare here. There we go. Let's see how fast that was. 13.6. Nope. Ah. Oh, nice. It is pretty cool seeing that ball hook quite a bit. I mean, look at that. It just goes bam like a boomerang. Nope. I can tell you what, this is a hell of a lot easier on my thumb. That's a fact. There we go. Come on. Oh, that was a sloppy strike, but it was a strike. There we go. When did it start? Just trying something new, because what I want to do is I want to learn everything there is about bowling. I don't want to be a one-trick pony. And if I can get better scores doing two-handed, hey, why the hell not? I'm pushing 50 years old, why the hell not? So if you like this video, make sure to comment, give me a like, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, I will be doing more two-handed videos in the future. And the goal is to get really high scores two-handed. So like I said, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next video.